Lights, camera, action. What was once a 1920s movie theater in quaint downtown New Braunfels is now one of Texas' best steakhouses. The movies might be gone, but there's still star power in these walls. At Myrons, it's steak that takes center stage.
It is the best steak in Texas, bar none.
Inside this historic gem, the dining room brings that old Hollywood glam with intimate low lighting and private booths, while the bar and lounge serve up the livelier crowd.
Well, it's homey, but upscale at the same time.
You'll feel right at home, sinking your teeth into steakhouse classics like surf and turf and decadent desserts.
Myrons is upper end, but they have a way of bringing down-home cooking that really appeals to me.
That down-home family feel comes from the Bean family.
So Myrons has always truly been a family affair.
Surely has.
Where did your passion for the restaurant business begin?
The old San Francisco Steakhouse in San Antonio.
Oh my gosh, we all remember that. That was the place.
It was that place that started it all.
Girl on the swing and two twin grand pianos. I was smitten. So, changed my major and went to work for them in 1977 at their Dallas location.
What were you going to do?
I was a pre-med student at Texas Tech.
I'd love to have heard that phone call home. I can imagine.
My mother nearly had a stroke.
Bill and his wife, Joanna, both worked in the restaurant business for nearly 30 years, galloping into a new hobby along the way: American saddlebred horses.
We'll be showing against William Shatner at the Kentucky State Fair in Louisville, Kentucky.
William Shatner is your big competition.
Shatner. That's no bull. He is my nemesis.
Back in 2002, Bill started itching to open his own steakhouse. A chance meeting led him to this old movie theater building in New Braunfels.
The flood from 202, it was full of water. See, this wasn't...
It slants down.
Yes.
It's an old movie theater.
Yeah, they took this whole thing down and tacked it back up.
Wow.
Many of the old movie theater accents remain, like the ornate tile ceilings, the balcony, and projection room.
As you come in the front door, immediately to your right was the actual snack bar.
Get those taste buds ready to indulge in some sizzling prime beef steak.
The 22-ounce bone-in ribeye is perfectly marbled, perfectly seasoned, perfectly cooked. You can't beat it. We put a dab of butter on it. A little butter doesn't hurt anything.
A little butter is a good thing. And it's that seasoning you all use.
That one I can...
I know, you're not going to tell me.
I could tell you, but I'd have to kill you.
I understand.
And for the pescatarians out there, feast on the steak of the sea.
The ahi tuna is the best flesh on the planet, as far as I'm concerned.
Blackened wasabi-seared ahi tuna is served with a tangy cilantro sauce, charl grilled lemon, and a mountain of jumbo lump crab meat. Shrimp lovers, Myron's take on New Orleans barbecue shrimp is divine.
Those are beautiful, not to mention big.
Good size. We'll place those right in the pan right there, and then we deglaze with a little bit of wine, and then we add our butter to it.
Ooh, a lot of butter.
That compound butter is a blend of Myron's signature spices and garlic.
Ooh, that is good.
Classic steakhouse sides like creamed spinach and green beans are always a hit. But at Myron's, there's one signature side that has everyone talking.
Mac and cheese.
So you know, I had to try it. A creamy cheese roux blended with hot jalapeno and hatch green chilies is baked to golden brown perfection over conchiglie shell pasta. One bite, and it's easy to see why this is Myron's #1 seller.
It's phenomenal. Imagine that with one of your buttery, hot, sizzling steaks. Dinner is served, right?
But no steak dinner is complete without a little red wine, right? Myron's Prime Steakhouse is known for its very big wine list. And at least once a month, they host fabulous wine dinners at both their New Braunfels and San Antonio locations.
Once a month, we have a party to go to, so it makes it so much fun.
So come on, join the party right here at Myrons.